Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we're gonna discuss that how to enable IGTV on Instagram. So basically when you used to use Instagram you would have the feature called IGTV where you would go and watch all the videos, right, that people have uploaded onto IGTV, and then some very trending video styles were also popping up on Instagram with IGTV. So basically right now you can't access IGTV because Instagram decided to discontinue it, right? Meta decided to discontinue it within Instagram, so now there is no IGTV, but alternatively they got us Reels. So nowadays you'll be seeing Reels everywhere on Instagram, and there are plenty of trends, and the basic reason is because on IGTV there was a limit of 1 minute. It was basically like a light version of TikTok, and now they have increased that, and then they have included like you could add videos more than 1 minute onto Instagram, and basically you can watch videos. So basically you can go to the search feed, go watch videos, and swipe up and other videos will pop up. Now what if you want to upload a video? What if you want to upload a reel actually? So that is basically very simple. What you need to do is you need to go to your camera from where you take videos, and you need to slide to from the bottom part where you check if it's a photo, it's a video, you gotta slide to Reels, and then after that what you need to do is you need to select a video that you have made, right? Once you select the video, now what you need to do is go next. Now what's gonna happen is you can add effects, you can add some text on it or some doodles on it, that's up to you. Then after that what you need to do is you need to add caption to the video that you just selected, right? Write a caption for it, and after that what you need to do is you would see the option that say appear in the Reels, can be seen on Reels. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna share it as Reel, and then when you click on it and go next, post it, what's gonna happen is basically you're gonna share that video as a Reel. So now the thing is, the IGTV and the Reel are kind of like, the IGTV is the older version of Reel, the Reel is the more improvised version, a better version where they have gone through all the missing features and disadvantages of the IGTV and improved it in the Reels. So now this is basically the new IGTV, right? So now Instagram doesn't like use the IGTV, and now we go with the Reels, and Reels are like on everyone's feed and basically in your profiles too. So that's pretty much it from this video. I hope you got the concept clear of IGTV and the Reels. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.